After the federal government relieved Mr. Patrick Akpalubokemi of his appointment, he was told to hand over to the most senior officer in the agency, and he handed over to Mr. Callistus Obi, who was the Executive Director of Maritime Labour and Cabotage Services. Mr. Obi became acting DG of NIMASA in July of 2015. The EFCC, however, says that some of the offences for which he is charged was committed as far back as 2013. Along with one Alu Dismas, who is said to be a former personal assistant to Mr. Akpalubokemi, and two companies, the defendants allegedly conspired to convert 136 million naira to their personal use. They all pleaded not guilty and were admitted to bail in the sum of 5 million naira each. The prosecution then opened its case, and after 8 prosecution witnesses and several documents and exhibits tendered in court, the prosecution closed its case, but instead of opening their defense, the defendants filed a no-case submission, insisting that the EFCC had made no case against them, which required them to defend themselves. They instead urged the court to dismiss the charges. In her ruling on their submission on Tuesday, the 21st of February, Justice Olatoregun held that after looking at the evidence adduced by the prosecution, she was satisfied that there were reasons for the defendants to open their defense, as a prima facie case had been made against them. She therefore ordered the defendants to put in their defense and subsequently fixed the 23rd of March for them to call their first witness. In another case, Justice Olatoregun continued with the trial within trial of the man who succeeded Obi at NIMASA. Mr. Haruna Baba Jauro had distanced himself from some statements he made while answering questions from the EFCC on an alleged 304 million naira fraud for which he is standing trial. In a trial to determine the voluntariness of the statements, the EFCC prosecutor Rotimi Oyedepo played in court a video evidence of the former NIMASA DG endorsing all 5 statements he made while in the custody of the EFCC. Despite the objections of his counsel, Mr. Olalekan Ojo, the court admitted the video clip in evidence. 2 EFCC officials also testified about the voluntariness of the process, and the court adjourned till March the 3rd to take the testimony of a 3rd prosecution witness. The defense counsel has also given an indication that he would call 4 witnesses in a trial within trial. In another case involving Patrick Akpalubokemi, the EFCC has amended the criminal charges. The amended charges has the names of only 6 defendants, namely Patrick Akpalubokemi, Captain Ezekiel Agaba, Ekene Nwakuche, Felix Bob Nabina, Captain Waredi Eniso, and Alkenzo Limited. The amended charges were read to them, and they all pleaded not guilty. The case was then adjourned to March the 17th for further hearing.